I put baking soda on my feet and look what happened. You need to know this trick. I'll show you what happens when you put a spoon of baking soda on your feet. What's this unusual trick for? I guarantee when you know, you'll want to do it and thank me. Welcome to our page, and before you say why you should spill baking soda on your feet, I'll give you some other homemade tricks that you can do with baking soda, and that will be very useful. I'd like to know which country you're watching me from, so I can greet you. Sodium bicarbonate tricks number 1, lightening body parts. Sodium bicarbonate is very effective for this. Mix some sodium bicarbonate with water and apply in the desired areas. After a week, you will notice how the dark parts begin to clear. Number 2, clean the chopping board vegetables. As time goes by, the kitchen board gets stained, and to avoid this, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and then rub a lime on top, let it rest for a few minutes, and then wash as usual. You'll see that it looks like new. Number 3, relieve mosquito bites. If you have bite marks, don't worry, baking soda is great for that. Just use a little baking soda mixed with water and apply in the areas. The next day, the marks are completely clean. Before we continue, I invite you to send this video to someone who can be of great help. Number 4, make a homemade toothpaste. Baking soda is a great alternative to toothpaste. It has a cleaning and whitening effect superior to the paste, for a much lower price. Number 5, remove the stink from the trash can. After removing the smelly toilet papers, apply a tablespoon of baking soda and the smell will disappear completely. Number 6, sanitize the mattress. If they ask when was the last time you did this, you may not even remember. Sodium bicarbonate removes dirt, sweat, germs, odors and stains from the mattress. Apply evenly throughout the mattress, using a sieve, let sit for a few hours and remove with a vacuum cleaner. Number 7, wash fruits and vegetables. Baking soda removes germs and bacteria from vegetables and fruits in record time. Just place a spoon of bicarbonate in the water of the vegetables and fruits. Number 8, take the bad smell out of the fridge. If the fridge smells bad, put some baking soda in a container, put it in the fridge for 7 days, it will absorb the smell completely. Number 9, remove moisture from wardrobes. To prevent the clothes from being damaged by moisture, simply mix baking soda with rice, put it in the wardrobe, and it will remove all moisture. It also neutralizes shoe odors. Now we come to the main trick of the video. The feet accumulate the most stress we have, that's why over time, they start to get hard and cracked. The baking soda is an excellent softener and relaxing for your feet. Just put them in a bucket with hot water, then apply 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda, add a lime, leave to stand for 15 minutes a day, and the feet relax a lot. Tell me which of these tricks you like the most. If you know any other tricks, or application of baking soda, tell me here in the comments. Thank you for watching and enjoying this video. If you want to see some special advice, let me know in the comments. I'm always reading about your suggestion. I wish you the richest blessings. I hope to see you in the next video. God bless you.